Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Itonga, the June 2025 teaser. I stopped watching because my heart is too weak, guys. My heart is too weak between Sanele and all that keeps on happening. I was like, this ain't for me, but it's for you. And here is the teaser. Monday, the 2nd of June. Ghosted. An explosive night leads to shocking consequences, leaving Sanele scrambling to hide his betrayal from Mbali. Pinda's thirst for power grows dangerously as he basks in Pablo's recognition, but harshy reality awaits. Tuesday, the 3rd of June. Loose ties. Sanele struggles to make peace with what Banele has done while also struggling to bet off Zama's advances. Pinda's sentiment of Ntanzi's reaches boiling point. I don't know, Pinda and Ntanzi, as in, like, yo, all right. Wednesday, the 4th of June. Me, you, and her. Mbali wrestles with Sanele, telling her bold-faced lies. Zama's feelings for Sanele deepen. Kanti this feelings thing is oqhubeka until nini? Can't Sanele make peace and Ubanele make peace that he's not in his body? Okay, let me continue. Pinda commits a cardinal sin against Pablo. Thursday, the 5th of June. Be a man. Pinda worries that Mduduzi knows what he's done. Sanele struggles to accept that his biggest helper may turn into the biggest problem in his life. Friday, the 6th of June. A thief among us. The missing cash threatens to frustrate a strong relationship between brothers. Sanele and Zama's union hang by a thread as Banele and Mbali's intentions become stronger. Okay. Monday, the 9th of June. My brother's keeper. As two elephants go to war at the Ntanzi house, Mom Faith discovers a shocking truth. Sanele finds himself at odds with Mbali while Zama searches for answers about Banele and Sanele's connection. Kahle now uBanele Sanele is a dual person, is two in one. Angazi mele simbizeni Sabanele Basanele. Okay. Tuesday, the 10th of June. Broken bond. Mom Faith has a hard decision to make. While Pablo and Mduduzi remain at odds with one another, will their relationship survive? I think here they're talking about Usanele and Mbali. Mbali and Sanele butt heads. 11 June. The cost of replacing the dead. Pinda steps into Mduduzi's shoes. But the cost of ambition, loyalty, and brute truths. I think they wanted to say brutal truths threaten to unravel everyone's carefully built facades. Thursday, the 12th of June. Banemali. Zama wants answers from Sanele. And is Pinda ready to fill the very big shoes of his predecessor? Friday, the 13th of June. Friends and foes. The Magwazas' delight and excitement is short-lived in the face of the Dladlas list. Pinda and Mom Faith dodge a bullet, while Pablo and Mtunzi's relationship sinks even more. Monday, the 16th of June. The list. The Dladlas and the Magwazas are at loggerheads. Mom Faith battles with the guilt of betraying Pablo, so she resorts to coming clean. Tuesday, the 17th of May. Umkhwenyana yisigodo sokuqhuzula. Guys, I'm good in Zulu, hey. Umkhwenyana yisigodo sokuqhuzula. Mom Faith begging for Pinda's life falls on deaf ears. Pablo and Mduduzi do forgiveness ritual. Makhumalo is forced by Sanele to apologize to the Dladlas. Wednesday, the 18th of June. The storm before the day. As the Dladlas and the Magwazas prepare for Umembeso, Banele appears to Zama. Mduduzi wants Pinda and Mamfaith dead as Pinda gears to escape the Nanzi's compound. Thursday, the 19th of June. Breaking point. Sanele's world unravels as Zama takes matters into her own hands, while Mbali's excitement for the Umembeso fades into crippling anxiety. Mamfaith faced the grave consequences of Pinda's betrayal. 20th of June. That is a Friday. Graves with warnings. Pablo pushes Pinda and Mamfaith to their breaking point. Sanele's decision sends shockwaves through everyone, leaving Mbali devastated as Zama tightens her grip. Monday, the 23rd of June. Goodbye, my love. Brothers come to blows as critical decision is made and Zama finally lets go of an old love, while Sanele races against time to win Mbali back. Tuesday, the 24th of June. Makoti. Pablo longs for Makhumalo's companionship. The Dladlas get the shock of their lives. Wednesday, the 25th of June. Blow and taste. Nkosinathi nearly gives his family a heart attack while Makhumalo has another cruel plot twist in her life. Thursday, the 26th of June. Love bears no grudges. Yes, Lord. Makhumalo has to make a big decision. Iminati's presence at the Dladla continues causing havoc. Friday, the 27th of June. Sinner number 1. Makhumalo wrestles with the truth about Banele's murder, while Iminati sets their sights on her husband's brother. Makhumalo wrestles with the truth about Banele's murder, while Iminati sets her sight on her husband's brother. Okay, it makes sense to you, I know. Monday, the 30th of June. High of the past. Has Pablo's plan worked? Will he have to gear up for the next phase? Iminati makes a move on Letokuhle. Will the move? Now, the premiere episodes of Itonga air on Mzansi Magic from Monday to Friday at 20:30 p.m. Please get tuned in and tell me what you think of this month's teaser. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe while you're at it. This is your girl, Disebwe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.